There are challenges in manufacturing today. If you think about it, today in the US, there's about 500,000 open jobs in manufacturing. And this is only going to get more severe. In fact, by 2033, it's going to be about 2 million jobs. So we have a shortfall in amazing talent coming into manufacturing. And the other side of it, of course, almost 35% of the population in manufacturing today is about the age of 55.
And that's why we are passionate about attracting the next generation of talent into manufacturing today through programs like F.A.S.T.
The reason that QED Red Zone got involved in the F.A.S.T program, which stands for Future Advantage Supply Chain Training, is because us as employees want to go out and encourage the next generation into the field of manufacturing and supply chain.
I absolutely love the F.A.S.T program. They gave me many opportunities. They gave me a summer job.
My proudest moment would be their presentation at the end of their internship. The experiences that you have and the contacts and the people that are now in their network that are rooting for them are invaluable.
When I met the top person of supply chain of General Motors, I was kind of starstruck because that's a real big name.
Where Malik got started in the program, he just asked me if he could stay after school. Oh, I'm getting teary out already. But once he told me a little bit more about it, he had my approval and I supported him 110%. Malik has always carried maturity, but his maturity level has gained great heights.
This program has changed me a lot because I feel like my courage just went up a lot. My speaking skills just went up. I don't really have social anxiety anymore.
I just love the growth. I'm so proud of him. And he does want to further his education when it comes to supply chain.
After I'm done with the program, I want to go to Wayne State and go into supply chain. What I'm learning is taking me somewhere far.